Hi, so today I'm with my second experiment in database. So today my topic is DML, data manipulation language. So here are my questions. So I have to create 4 tables and I have to insert some values into it. That's the first part. So I have done it in Notepad. So first table is deposit 159 and the column I have given as per the example here. So same are given in table also. Then second one is branch, third one is customer, and fourth table is borrow. After that the main thing is to insert some values. So I use the insert command, insert into the table name, and values I have given for account number, name, C name, B name, amount, and the account date. So this is how we insert things into the table. And after insertion, every 4 tables I have inserted many values, and after insertion it's like this. So for displaying that I have used the select star from the table name, so it will display everything in the table. So the first table deposit is like this: account number, C name, B name, amount, and account date. Everything sorted and displaying. Then the second table, select star from branch 159, that's name of the second table, and these are the values that I have inserted. Third table, customer values, and fourth table, borrow. So everything I have displayed, and that's the first question is to create the tables, and second one is to insert. So these 2 parts are over. Then list the data from the table deposit, that's also over. Then all data from table borrow, that's also are displayed. Then give account number and give account number and amount of depositors. So for that I used only 2 columns, that is select account number and amount from deposit 159. So that will only display that both things that we are needed. So as you can see, account number and amount only is displayed. Next one is use select statement to display the names of customers. For that select the C name from customer 159. So it will only display the C name of the table. Everything will come here, every C names. The next one is to list the name of branches. So B name is the branch name and branch 159 is the table name. So select B name from the table name branch. So it will display every branch name in the table. Then list the names of the branches. That's over. Then display the names of customer living in the city Nagpur. So here we can use the where keyword. So select C name from customer 159. So it will display the customer name from the table customer 159 and where city equal to Nagpur. So it will fetch for the city column and it will take the value Nagpur and the corresponding C name will be displayed. So in the table the C name is Madhu and it's displayed here. Next one, display the name of customer having amount greater than 4,000. Here also we will use the where condition. So select C name from deposit 159 where amount greater than 4,000. So it will display the C name of the customer. Next one is display the account date of customer annual. So this is the command, select account date from the table name where CNAME equal to Anil. So I am specifically saying that customer name is Anil, and I am displaying the account date only from that. So the account date is printed. Next one, give the names of all branches located in the city Bombay. So it's from another table. So select B name from branch 159 where city equal to Bombay. So wherever the city is Bombay, all the branch names will be displayed. So two branch names are there, both are displayed. Then give the names of depositors having account at VRCE. So select C name from deposit 159, which is the table name, where B name equal to VRC. So it will show the customer name having branch as VRCE. Then display the names of all branches located in the city Delhi, the same as in Bombay. So command will be the same, but here we are used select B name from branch where city equal to Delhi. In the single quotes we are given city equal to Delhi, so it will print the branch names in Delhi. So as you can see, branch names are printed. Then next one, display the names of customers who opened account after 1/12/95. So we have to specifically say the date, and we will use where condition. So this is the command, select the C name from deposit, that is the table name, where account date greater than, and inside single quote 1, instead of 12 we will write December, that is DEC, and 95. So it will print the customer names whose account dates are greater than 1st December 95. So 3 names are printed. Next one, display the account number and deposit amount of the customer having account open between 1/12/95 and 1/6/96. So here we will use the between keyword. So select account number and C name. I am displaying both of this from deposit 159, that is a table name, where a date between 1 December 95 and 1 June 96. So it will display the account number and customer name of the customers who have opened their account between these given dates. So it's printed here. So next one is give 10% interest to all depositors. So it's somewhat mathematically. So I have updated the column. So update the table name is deposit 159 and set amount. Amount is a column name equal to amount plus amount by 10. So it will take the 10% here, then it will be added with that, and it is showing 5 rows updated. Now I will display that by using select option. So earlier it was 1000 in the previous table. Now it's updated to 1100. 10% is increased, and as you can see, everywhere it's reflected. Every value is increased. Then give 10% interest to all depositors having branch VRCE. So it's specifically said only to VRCE branch, so we have to give that. So update deposit 159, which is the table name, set amount is a column name, amount plus that 10%, where B name is equal to VRCE. So here also we have used the where condition. So here again I have displayed the table, and as you can see, there is only one person in VRCE. With the branch VRCE, only one is there. So only that value has changed, that 10% has increased from the previous table, and all other values are same. Then change the living city of VRC branch Borovsk to Nagpur. So here I have used again the update option, update Borover Boro 159, that's the table name, and set B name, which is the column name, B name Nagpur, and where B name equal to VRC. So wherever the B name is VRC, it will be replaced by Nagpur. So it's showing one day updated. Then change the living city of VRC branch Borovsk to Nagpur, that's over. Then change the deposit of VRC branch to 1000 and change the branch as VRC Ambazari. So we have to perform two actions here. So first update, then table name, set amount equal to 1000, then B name equal to VRC Ambassador, and where the first condition we are giving, where B name was VRC. So it will fetch the VRC from the table. So first here it was VRC, and now it's updated to VRC Ambassador, and earlier the amount was 1210 and now it was set as 1000. Then delete customers from Bombay City. So the command is delete from the table name, then where city equal to Bombay. Next one, last question. Display the customer details whose name ends with the letter L. For that I will use the like keyword. So here select star from customer 159, that's the table name, where C name is the column name, C name like, and inside braces I have given percentage L. So the preceding will be anything and it will end with the L. So the name is Anil, Sunil, Mehul, all ends with L, and that only is displayed. So that's the first part. Then the second part, insert the following tuples into the branch table. So here I have given branch, insert into branch name values I have given in a different way. So here it's given Dharmapet and Nagpur as shown here. I inserted two values there. Then again MG Road and Bangalore I have inserted, MG Road and Bangalore. Then it's asked to create a save point A. After creating, just written save point and the name of that A. Then it's showing save point created. The next one is again inserting Andheri Bombay, Virar Bombay. So Andheri Bombay I have inserted first, then Virar Bombay again inserted, then roll back to already created save point A. For that we have to just give rollback to and the name that we have given as A. So rollback A, and rollback is completed. Then insert again some values, Nehru Place, Delhi. So again I have given insert command and I have inserted Nehru Place and Delhi. and Poway and Bombay also. Then commit the transactions. For that the keyword is just commit, and here again commit colon semicolon, so it's showing commit complete. Now it's again telling to perform a rollback to A, as we already roll back to A, we can't roll back again to A. So it's after we return a rollback to A, is showing save point I never established in this session, or is invalid. So that's all.